How to crop image in Photoshop very fast. Press C on your keyboard and you see these handles. You can just drag and drop and just resize it. If you want to keep the proportion, just hold down Shift and just drag it. And it's just going to be a scale at the same size. So we don't lose the proportion. But you can come here to the ratio and pick up something like 4:5, which is the Instagram. And if you want to switch it, just click on this little icon here. You can switch between width and height. You can also change it to 16:9. Again, switch it. This is gonna be the Instagram story, and 1:1, which is the square. If I hold here and just drag it down my mouse, I'm just gonna move around and pick a very interesting area that I'm really looking for. Maybe this area at the center. I want this one. Just check this out. If this option is checked and if I press OK, I lose everything from the outside. But if I uncheck this and I press OK, the check mark, look, still if I go back to the move tool, I can go around. I still have my image, this is very cool. Again, press C on your keyboard and this should be always unchecked. Now, I press Enter to bring back everything from the outside. What else? If I click on this little icon here, I can just click on the opacity and drag this down to see more, or I can bring it up to make it a bit darker. And I can just change this. If I change something and both handles are moving around, I have to click on clear. If you click on clear, then you can just move it around just side by side. So each side is going up and down. So make sure always this is unchecked. And what else do we have here? We have the cycle. I can put it on this way or grid. Then I can work better. Make sure this is exactly in the center. Look, with the grid, I'm always working better to finding the perspective. And then click OK. And this is exactly what I wanted in Crop Tool.